episode 4. So last week we did paradiddle 3, but not really. I showed you how to practice the doubles and really get to that third paradiddle. So today we're going to really get a groove with that one. So if you haven't seen episode 3, go check it out. And then we'll continue here with making a groove on 3 kids. Woohoo! The third paradiddle, this time with the double stroke at the beginning. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And we're going to play that on the snare, on the hi-hat in the snare actually. Dynamics is very important. So now you've seen how to play the paradiddle on the drum set with your right hand on the hi-hat and the left hand on the snare drum. But now we're going to really make a groove with it, the fun part. So what I'm gonna do is place the first 2 rights on my bass drum. So I'm gonna play it with my right foot. The next is going to be the same, which I'll show you in a sheet on the screen somewhere here, or maybe next shot, I don't know. So what you can perfectly do is use that groove variation of last episode while playing this third paradiddle groove. So that's 2 episodes together. So, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next week in episode 5. Yes, please. And it's going to be paradiddle number 4. Ciao.